Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel again. Today's menu for dinner, I'm going to show you how to make Tuscan Tilapia with vegetables. So let's get started. Pat dry tilapia with paper towel to prevent sticking the fish to the pan, allowing the outside to crisp evenly while cooking. Season fish just before cooking to prevent drawing out moisture and drying out the fish. The ingredients we're gonna need are baby spinach, tilapia fillet, sliced roma tomatoes, baby bella mushrooms, heavy whipping cream, grated parmesan cheese, unsalted butter, minced garlic. I don't know about you, but more garlic I put, the tastier food is. Don't you think? I use grapeseed oil, but feel free to use others. Ground black pepper. And of course, the unsalted seasoning blend. Now that we're through here, let's get cooking, folks. Add oil in a high-heated pan and sear the fish fillets for 2 to 3 minutes each side, depending on thickness of fillets. Did you know that Tuscan cooking really began to develop in 1300s with the introduction of new spices? It soon became some of the most elegant in all of Europe. King Henry IV of France married Maria de Medici in 1599. According to the stories, the French were amazed by the gracious table setting and dining. There were embroidered tablecloths, silver settings, Murano glasses, beautiful china, flowers and sugar sculptures on the table. 24 cold dishes, 28 hot dishes, 14 plates of raw vegetables, cheeses and fruits, and 9 desserts. Supposedly, Maria brought the secrets of Italian cooking with her to France. Although the specifics of the story are a little shaky, there are some obvious influences of Italy in French cooking. Still a very neat little story, don't you think? Anyways, while fillets are cooking, notice the color along the sides of the fillets slowly begin to change to a paler color, from the bottom where the fish is touching the pan up to the center. Once the color has moved up to the center, it's time to flip. What you'll get is a tender, juicy, and crispy fillet. For making sauce, leave the juices in the pan after searing your fillets. That's where all the flavor is. Melt the butter, cook your garlic until fragrant. About 1 minute to prevent burning while allowing the garlic to release flavor. This creamy garlic butter Tuscan Tilapia is restaurant quality pan-seared fish in a delicious creamy sauce with vegetables such as mushrooms, spinach, roma tomatoes, and other ingredients including Parmesan cheese. Italian cuisine is generally characterized by its simplicity, with many dishes having only 2 to 4 main ingredients. I added mushrooms in this dish, folks, because of its benefits. It may help keep you young. Mushrooms contain a super high concentration of 2 antioxidants, ergothioneine and glutathione. It also can help your heart health. Mushrooms help recipes taste better in place of salt because they contain glutamate ribonucleotides. Those compounds contribute a savory umami taste with no ramification for your blood pressures or heart disease risk. An entire cup of mushrooms has only 5 milligrams sodium. Mushrooms also make an excellent satisfying substitute for red meat in any dish, eliminating calories, fat, and cholesterol from the equation. Add a bunch of spinach as well, of course. That keeps you energized. Spinach provides you with the required levels of magnesium in your body, which helps you to generate energy for your day-to-day chores. Spinach is also a great source of folate, a nutrient that helps your body turn food into usable energy. Moreover, making your body more alkalized can help you keep energized through the day, and spinach is one veggie that is alkaline in nature. Rich and creamy sauce by adding heavy whipping cream and Parmesan cheese. I can tell you now that the creamy sauce is to die for. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside tilapia fillets. My entire family loves this deliciously easy to make tilapia recipe. You can serve this Tuscan Tilapia with pasta, rice, mashed potatoes, or simply wedged potatoes with veggies on the side, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, or any favorite veggies of yours. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comment, so please tell me of what you think about this video. Thank you, have a good day, and see you later. Bye-bye.